Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fresh sealed D case from House of Cars, Virginia. Excited to get this thing opened up and see if maybe we score our first super treasure hunt from one of these cases. But let's dive right into it. Okay, let's crack this guy open. Ooh, we've got a crushed card to start off at the top there, guys. A little crushy. Hopefully it's not a good one. Birthday burner is a damaged card. Oh well, at least it's not a good one. Ooh, starting out strong, guys. The 365 GTB4 in the red, white, and blue from the C case. And this one, guys, I really like this flat black, matte black Huracan. That is a super good spec. One of the highlights for sure. Another 240Z, that was from C case, along with the Lucid Air. Nice cars. I think this might be a new D case. To let me know. Well, Type D, maybe they did that on purpose. The old Hako Type D. RX-7 and the 67 Camaro, guys. Those were both from the C case. And starting off with a treasure hunt. The Hot Wings treasure hunt from the D case. I'm hoping that isn't a sign that we don't have a super on the bottom side, but we shall see here in a minute. Hato Rato. That might be new for the D case. It's looking kind of cool with the matte black, number 8, side pipes. The RS6 Avant from the C case. And a new colored donut drifter. W1 McLaren, still liking that one in the blue, looks really nice. That was from last case as well. Voltage spike. Little purple and orange Mercedes Unimog. Another Volvo 240 wagon. Really like that car. It sold pretty well as a keychain. But yeah, not too bad of a casting there for a wagon. This is one of the highlights in the D case, guys. This orange Cadillac ATS-V. I don't know if they've done an ATS-V before. Let me know in the comments, guys, if this is the first ATS-V. I know they've done some CTS-Vs, but I think it's looking pretty nice. Black wheels, sparkly orange paint. Definitely going in the pile that we'll make into keychains here. Another Celeron Fantasy. That supercharged NHRA funny car is kind of cool. 75 years. Must be 75 year anniversary of NHRA, is my guess. Yep, says it right at the top there. Not too bad. Ooh, another Ferrari F40. The main line in black. Put that in the highlight pile. Batmobile. Got quite a few of these in the C case. The coupe clip. They're going back to the coupe clip. They did the Porsche 911 clips there for quite a... I don't know if it was all of last year, but a good chunk of last year was all Porsche clips. Now they're back to the coupe clip in purple. 69 Chevelle. from the C case, and the Feline Lucky car. I like how there's a turbocharger in the front there. Kind of cool. Ooh, one of my favorites, guys. The favorite from the C case. The Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet in white with the black stripes. It is a sweet casting. Definitely in the highlights. This is a D case here, the Buzz Bomb. It's kind of cool. It's got the little graphics on the side, which look pretty neat against that purple. And then it's got a couple surfboards on the top. I like it. Put that in the highlight pile there. More 240Zs and Camaros. Only got one of these gold Camaros in the C case, but they're hitting them strong in the D. And another Batmobile. Lots of Batmobiles, guys. El Segundo Coupe in white. And I actually like this livery on the VP Racing Chevy Chevette with the white wheels. That blue on white looks good. We've had a few different colors in that. I think I have a red one and a yellow one. Another Type D there. Ooh, this is one of my favorites I was looking forward to in the D case, guys. Look at that Ferrari 12-cylinder. Bucket list car in real life, guys. Not this one, but the previous model. Either an F12 Ferrari or an 812 Superfast. Might be one of my first Ferraris that I ever get. It'll be a few years yet, but it's definitely on the list. These V12s just make unbelievable noises. It sounds so good. One of my favorite fantasies, the Decidedly Go 8-ball. And that's a new take on the Polestar there. The yellow, and has Polestar written out on the side. Kind of nice. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to the bottom. Wish me luck. Going to the bottom. Quick Chat and a Donut Drifter. What do we got here? A Renault. And another Lucid Air and a GTB4. Ugh, yuck. One of the worst colored Porsches of all time in a Hot Wheels, guys. What are they thinking? Come on, guys. That is a super awesome casting. 96 Porsche Carrera. And I just cannot get on board with that color. Can't do it. Not even going to make this thing into a keychain, guys. It is that bad of a color. Not even going to try it. Disappointed in that one. But this, the CRX, an 85 CRX. When I was in high school, guys, a buddy of mine had a red 85 CRX, and we used to cruise all over town in one of these things. So I like the graphics on the side, and then on the roof, we got the Honda logo there. Super cool casting with the black wheels. I'm really digging that. Highlight for sure. The RX-7 and funny car. The Lotus Cortina, I believe that was in the C case as well. Twin Dorado and another Acceleron on the Fantasies. Another Volvo and another Cabriolet. Can't complain there. And this one, guys, so this is the variation, the Prius Custom without the roof. Storage there. This one's definitely going to make a good keychain, though, for those Prius people out there. It's got a good look with that wide body kit. Dig it. Digging that Prius. What do we got? Oh, this one. Oh. So I didn't even get one, guys. Doubled up on the non-roof carrier Prius. Bummer, dude. Another W1 and another Buzz Bomb. Ooh, 2 cylindries. Not going to complain there, guys. 2 of that red Ferrari. Nice. Corvette Grand Sport. That one was from C-Case. And the Libre. Libre. Ooh, I like this pass and gasser. What do you guys think of that one? That's a cool... See, so this is like a 37 Ford, somewhere in that. I mean, just by the front end, it looks like a 37 or late 30s Ford front end. And it's one of my favorite hot rods, is a 37 Ford that's been all customized and lowered. They look sweet. I think that's 3 Batmobiles now. Man, they're heavy on those. Heavy on the Batmobiles. Another decidedly go. El Segundo. And a Racing Bulls F1, guys. Not a big fan of the Racing Bulls F1 team. I'm a McLaren fan. But I do like white cars, and that looks good in that white livery. With the blue striped rims. Yeah, not a bad casting there on that Red Bulls car. Ooh, the Nissan Z. I think is that 3 of that one too? Might be 3 in that pack. Another Cortina and Libre. Dun, 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 dun. Almost done, guys. There is the Cooper, a Desert Drifter, and that, I have to think, is that the Then and Now? The Nissan? Nope, that's an import, so it's not a Then and Now. Same color, though, and both Nissans. And here's the end, and there's no Super, guys. I'm so sad. They throw me another F40, but just the regular Impala, guys. Sad beans. Still have not scored a Super Treasure Hunt from House of Cars, Virginia. This is a super awesome casting, though, even in the non-super form. Super cool color and pinstriping. All those graphics. And the white wall wheels. Yeah. Hopefully we can get some more of this, because I think that'll make a good keychain. Like everything about that car. Alright guys, here are the highlights out of the D case, at least for me. A couple more Porsches. That Buzz Bomb's pretty cool. A couple new F1 cars, the Racing Bulls, and I really dig that ATS-V in orange. We didn't get a Super, guys. Pretty bummed about that, but we did get the Hot Wings Treasure Hunt. And then those Priuses, guys. We did score some Ferraris, though. A couple more F40 main lines. And that 12-cylindry Ferrari. And then my top 4 right here, guys. That Huracan in matte black. Can't go wrong there. And I really like that 64 Impala casting. Even though it's not the Super. And, of course, that yellow CRX. So, let me know down in the comments, guys, what your favorite cars were out of the D case. And stay tuned for our next hunt video. We'll have another unboxing coming out soon. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe.